Welcome to DNA's Birding Adventures. We're continuing our adventures in Roswell, New Mexico, this time at Bitter Lake National Wildlife Refuge. It's the ABCs of birding. We're looking for aliens, birding, and also trying to view the comet. Be sure to check out our Bandelier National Monument video. We added a few new birds to our 2024 list, had a great experience at the campground and birding. You can't go into Roswell without visiting the International UFO Museum and Research Center. Are aliens real? Did the 1947 UFO incident actually occur? Let us know what you think. And birding in Roswell did not disappoint. The Bitter Lake National Wildlife Refuge is just incredible and a birder's paradise. I added the Roswell UFO Museum in a separate link, but this video is about birding near Roswell. The Bitter Lake Wildlife Refuge is comprised of birding trails as well as an auto tour, and we did both. The visitor center is just about 15 minutes from Roswell. We started with a few trails right around the visitor center and then took the driving tour and a couple other trails. And here we go. We are at Bitter Lake National Wildlife Refuge in Roswell, New Mexico. It's where the Chihuahuan Desert meets the short grass prairie, so we'll see what kind of birds we can find. Woohoo! Here we go. We had our welcoming committee right away. In fact, there were a lot of sparrows in the park, mostly the white-crowned sparrow and the Vesper sparrow. The parking lot was only empty because the visitor center was closed. It's the start of fall migration, so we'll see what we can find. This is the visitor center. They're not quite open yet. Nobody's here, but the birds are here. Looks like a lot of wetlands down there. And here is the brochure. I'm going to grab one of these. Our second tarantula. So that one's bigger than the other one that we saw at Bandelier. Huge. Right at the visitor center. White-crowned sparrow. Butterfly Trail. It's just like a quarter mile. But there's cliff swallows flying around, I think, and I saw harrier. Lots of white-crowned sparrows. Just heard the sandhill cranes. Oh, there's a butterfly on Butterfly Loop. Oh. Oh. Right over the visitor center. What are those? We thought at first this was a pewee and turned out to be a black phoebe, bird number 308. Yay! There are 2 Vesper sparrows. Goldfinches. The lesser and the American were together. There's a great horned owl. Camouflaged in that tree. You can barely see, it looks like a branch. Thanks to Dave's keen eyesight, he spotted this great horned owl. Just a little loop, and then it heads back to the visitor center. Chipping sparrow at the butterfly pond in here. Oh, chipping sparrows.
Who's that Brewers?
Those are queen butterflies at the butterfly garden. Northern flicker. This is a New Mexico olive. Okay. We're on the butterfly trail. Heading back, we're going to do the car tour loop next. Scale quail. There's 20 of them. First of the year. There's the other one. Huh. I believe we saw 15 or 20 scaled quails. New for the year, bird number 309. Then this curve-billed thrasher was hanging out with a scaled quail. I thought that was quite unusual. Bird number 310, we'll take it. It seems like unlikely pairs are a theme. These two were hanging out together too. time for the auto tour, 6 miles long. And of course, with birding, that'll take us probably 4 hours. Wildlife Drive, 6 mile loop. Killdeer. Oh my God. And there's such thing as a Chihuahuan meadowlark, but we can't count it unless we can hear it, because that's how you can distinguish the Western from the Chihuahuan. Did I say there's a lot of sparrows today? We're actually looking for the sagebrush sparrow. Another unlikely pair, the American pipit and the least sandpiper, were hanging out. Here's another nice feature of this refuge, the observation blind. You can hear meadowlarks, savanna sparrows, white-crowned sparrows, sandhill cranes. There's the road. Saw a northern harrier. There's sandhill cranes calling. And we're going to the little bird blind. Just saw a killdeer, meadowlark, northern harrier right up that way, right above the bird blind. Oh yeah, cranes are flying. One lost his flock. Looks like a nice new blind. There's no water. Oh yeah, there's water. Cool. We have all of the sandpipers and plovers, willets. You see any out there? There they are. Now where are they? Well, look at all the ducks. Huh. The Oxbow Trail to the Pecos River. Oxbow Trail. 2 miles. A lot of water. Not a lot of water.
water, but I don't know what's normal. Yeah, that's pretty sunny, but that's a loggerhead shrike. Okay, that's a vermilion flycatcher, and a great egret just flew on. Watch that vermilion flycatcher go up to catch a fly. Come on.
They're such beautiful birds. We saw them last in Arizona. Vermilion flycatcher, 2024 bird number 311.
There was a vermilion flycatcher, and now we're heading to the Pecos River. This trail goes to the Pecos River.
And is this a sage sparrow? It would be a new bird for us, a life bird. We read there's a lot of endangered species in this refuge because of the unique ecosystem. Not sure what this lizard is. It looks to me like a common southwestern fence lizard.
Oh, it's a duck. Savannah sparrow and white-crowned sparrow.
The Savannah sparrows have that distinctive yellow patch in front of the eye, but not always can you tell the difference in some sparrows. We mostly had the Savannah, Vesper, and white-crowned sparrows on our excursion today.
Savannah and a white-crowned sparrow in here chasing each other. You just heard a greater yellow legs. Oh, there he goes. There's a lot of birds in here. So Pecos River, we're going to go there first and then continue on the Oxbow Trail that way. Pecos River Vista. It's not flowing very fast. Wow. More ducks and a harrier, another harrier. Huh. Another vermilion flycatcher. Way out there. The yucca god watching over the Oxbow. Or it's a grass god watching over the Oxbow. No water by him.
Fish aren't the only items on the menu today.
It looks like an alligator. Ooh. He needs to find water. Vesper sparrow. They just saw a sage thrasher and another rock wren. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Huh.
I don't think we've ever seen so many savanna sparrows in one spot. And don't forget to look up. This forester's tern was flying over and fishing. We only saw one. There were huge numbers and flocks of the northern pintails. They're back. This area is full of sandhill cranes in the winter. We saw probably 500 or so altogether in New Mexico. It's always nice to see sandhill cranes returning to the south areas. And wow, what a beautiful Bitter Lake National Wildlife Refuge area for birding. We got 44 different bird species altogether today, including 4 new birds for our DNA's Birding Adventures Big Birding Year 2024 list. Also stopped by the J. Kenneth Smith Bird Sanctuary and Nature Center right in Roswell. This city park had a great bird blind, feeders, waterways that enticed all the birds.
I thought we heard sandhill cranes. They're back. Oh, I see.
Just in a short span of the evening, we got 20 different bird species there. And New Mexico has unforgettable sunsets and sunrises. It's October 12th, and we're looking for the comet. We saw it too, so Roswell had aliens, birds, and comets so far. Our next video will be a short special edition of the UFO Museum. Thank you so much for tagging along with us on our trip to New Mexico and subscribing to DNA's Birding Adventures. Until next time, happy trails to you.